Let me tell y'all something. I've been driving around in New York for about 2 hours. 2 hours, man. I missed one turn. I missed my exit, and this is where I end up. I've been in every road leads. What's up, Kingdom people? You know it's your boy Lando. All right, this is gonna be a quick trip, man. You know, we're going to one of my favorite states so far since I've been out here. It's a trip from New York going to Texas. Bring the music down to H-Town. Well, no, we're not going to H-Town, but we're going to Texas though. Just stay tuned. Stuck in traffic. This is one of the reasons I don't like coming up here. One wrong turn. I missed my exit. Now I'm in local traffic. One wrong turn would throw you off about 2 hours up here. That's where I'm at. I've been on that bridge for the last 30 minutes. Barely moved. I'm moving. Let me tell y'all something. I've been driving around in New York for about 2 hours. 2 hours, man. I missed one turn. I missed my exit, and this is where I end up. I've been in every road leads to another road. I missed one turn, and you keep missing another turn. One turn leads to 100 turns. And I think I'm finally about to get back on the highway 2 hours later, man. This is why I don't like up here. This is why I don't like up here. I was on the highway. Somehow I ended up right there. So, yeah. Where I'm at though. When I go through the tunnel, 13 feet. If you're over 13, sorry for you. What is this guy doing? What is he doing? Like, bro, what's the point of that? That was so dumb.
In 3.5 miles, keep left onto Route 490.
Top of the morning, y'all. Top of the morning. Woke up this morning, did my pre-trip. Coolant low. What you do? You put your coolant in the coolant thing. Yeah, that's it. Make sure you do your pre-trip. Pre-trip is important. Pre-trip is important, guys. You need coolant. You know what I mean? You guys are getting it firsthand. Another thing about this antifreeze, you gotta be the right one. Also, but I don't know why I'm gonna place this camera doing this, so I'm gonna stop recording right now. Yes, to be safe than sorry, guys. We'll buy another one. Yeah. Alright guys. Coolant is in the truck. Make sure you guys do your pre-trip, man. And make sure you put the right coolant in there too. You gotta be a specific type of coolant when you put in your coolant in these type of trucks. I know it gotta be red. I don't know too much about it. I'm not no mechanic, but I know enough. Right? I did that. And now I'm headed on over to Texas. I'm looking for another load right now. I should get another load though. Working on it right now. I'm looking for one. My dispatcher looking for one. Hey, we do dispatch, guys. We do dispatch now. So, you know, if you're looking for a dispatch, you know what I'm saying, hit me up in my email. We gonna connect you and make some stuff happen. You're my style. But yeah, tap back in with y'all in a few. Look at this view, man. Look at this view. Now, this is the part about trucking that I love. Countryside. I think I'm in, where I'm at? West Virginia. It's beautiful, man. Yeah. This is it. It's the part that I enjoy. What's up, y'all? What's up? You see it? This truck stop. Might go shower up. I ain't really record much, man. I've been doing a lot though. I ain't record much at all. This fridge worked out. I be working, man. And, I might go take a shower. Truck stop look like at night. Loaded now. Loaded. Shower bad. You know what I mean? I'm about 8 hours away from my stop. I'm supposed to be there at 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, don't look like I'm gonna make it on time. But spoke with Broke know what time it was. Got delayed in New York. Then last night I got delayed even more. Last night I got delayed. The road was blocked pretty much, so I had to turn around, go the opposite direction, went to a whole nother state. Right? I was in West Virginia. I had to go back to Maryland, go all the way around. That's not about another 2 hours. So I'm really short, about 4 hours because of all of that. So I would have been on time. So it's good though. It's a beautiful week. We ain't tripping. Take a quick shower. I'll holler at y'all. Chickens on the truck. That's why I don't eat meat. Look at that. Hell, they look disgusting. The chicken. Disgusting. Disgusting. You look dead. Everything. So she wrote. Alright. Yes, sir. That is it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. That's the New York to Texas run. I'll go pick up another load, hopefully. But yeah, that's it, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm tired, huh? I've been up since 5. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share this, man. Y'all know what to do, all that YouTube stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Might go find me something to eat. And of course, I might go find me a load. But yeah, my dispatcher on it. We on that. Gotta look for dispatch. I know what to do. I know what to do. Send me that email. Y'all look for dispatch. You know what I mean? Connect with you.